Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In today's we'll try to do the read and write speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device. So both phones they do have the UFS storage 3.1 read and write speeds. Let's see by using the high performance mode and without using high performance mode, will it affect any kind of scores or not? So that is what I'm going to exactly compare between both phones regarding the OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X1 Max device. And during this process of testing, I'll try to use the application which is the AnuBenchmark application which is available right now, as you can see. So in the AnuBenchmark application, you can actually find the option which is called a storage test, as you can see friends in this option. So under the storage section, we can actually do the storage comparison between both phones by testing the read and write speeds. So first I did turn off the high performance mode. So there is no high performance mode enabled between both phones at this moment, as you can clearly see here. Absolutely, there is no high performance mode option enabled. So let's start the test right now. Let's see how much difference can it be there without using any kind of high performance mode between both phones. And next time I'll try to do the test with using high performance mode. How much high score will be different? That's what I'm going to exactly check. So first phone to finish is the Realme X1 Max with 61,620, as you can see the points. And whereas the OnePlus Nord 2 scored about 56,275. So these are the scores which we got on the test one results. Let me take the screenshot. So I did take the screenshot in both phones as well. Let's see what is happening with the read speeds. So read speeds are highest in the Realme X1 Max and write speeds are also highest in the Realme X1 Max, and even the read speed and write speed in the random access as well highest in the Realme X1 Max. So in each and every category, the Realme X1 Max has got really highest points than the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So now let's move to the another test which is using the high performance mode option. Let's go to the battery section and let me try to turn on the high performance mode. Yes, high performance mode is enabled. Let's see, will it affect any kind of performance or not? That's what I'm going to check. Even I am not sure will it affect or not, because this is my first time doing this kind of comparison friends. Side by side, I just want to see how much difference will it makes between both phones. So that's what my main point of testing this video. So let's see whether using high performance mode will it affect or not. Yes, as you can see, so using the high performance mode, it did not affect anything in the Realme X1 Max, not much, but it got affected in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. As you can see friends, exactly how much score got increased. It's a really huge improvement in terms of the read and write speeds. Definitely I can say that. Right now as you can see, even it did come close to this kind of sequence at 26,000. I mean the points, and you can see the speeds as well, 1737 and 1707. And you can see the sequence on right as well, 1037 and 983, not bad. And random access, you can see the speeds increased in the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, read speed increased, seriously. So this is the thing friends, only if you try to do this kind of multiple tests, only then you will be able to know what is the potential of each and every smartphone. That is the reason I'm trying to do this kind of multiple combination of multiple testings. So to find out what is the perfect way to use the mobile phone in what kind of scenario, that is the reason. So I did take the screenshot and let's compare the previous results. Let me try to go to the gallery and open the screenshot. It should be here, yes. So let me try to open the gallery in this phone as well. Let's see what's happening. So this is the score I got first, as you can see, 61,620, and second time, you can see how much got increase. Wow, that's a huge change I would say. 1629 to 1707 and 968 to 983. But overall score, as you can see friends, it's a huge change. But in terms of the Realme X1 Max, nothing much changed, no. In fact, it decreased little bit, 1741 after using high performance mode, decreased little bit. As you can see, just a little bit, but overall score slightly increased, but not much. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is a quick comparison between both phones in terms of the read and write speeds. Now we got to know the real result, what is happening with the high performance mode. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends, and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.